Welcome to the Stillpoint Meditation. Close your eyes, relax your mind and your body. We will be focusing on one body point at a time, taking an inhale and an exhale, relaxing that part of the body further, and then move on to another point. We'll focus on the top of the head, one shoulder, then the other, the center of the chest or the heart, one hip, then the other, and the navel or belly button. Let's begin. A gentle thought to the top of your head as you breathe in and breathe out. Move your attention to your left shoulder as you inhale and exhale. Moving to the right shoulder with an inhale and an exhale. To the center of the chest, breathing in, breathing out. Left hip, right hip, navel, top of the head, shoulder, other shoulder, heart, hip, other hip, navel, head, shoulder, shoulder, heart, hip, hip, navel. Now you should be at the still point. There are lots of interesting things that we can do. For now, I would like you just to enjoy the tranquility, the sanctuary, the stillness. When you are ready, slowly blink open your eyes, allowing just a little bit of light in on each blink. Slowly adjust to your surroundings. Take a look around. Notice shapes, different shapes. Notice different colors. Listen for different sounds. Feel the seat below your body and the ground below your feet. Thank you. Have a nice day.